Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how a locksmith is coding a Subaru WRX transponder key and keyless entry. Remember, the WRX has two options. One is a key fob or push to start, and the second one is a regular ignition, like this one, which you actually have to put the key in the ignition and turn to start the vehicle. This key also has the option of keyless entry, which makes it more convenient to get into the vehicle. Please comment below if you have any questions and we will answer. Thank you.
Hello everybody, today we're working on a Subaru WRX. We have a new remote key. We already have a working key. We're going to add it into the system. So we are going into, well, we can go to auto identify or we're going to go by vehicle. So we're going to go Subaru WRX 2015. Let's see, WRX 15 to 20. We're going to go with a blade key, not a push to start. And we're going to go to add a key into the system. Immobilizer, remote control learn, and then add a key. So it's going to tell us to insert the working key, which we already have. Insert the working key into the ignition, turn the vehicle on, which we have done. And we are hooked up to the OBD down there. Please use the key that are not learned, insert and turn to the ignition. So we are turning the new key in right now. Learning successful, we did not learn a new one, and we're done. That's how you program a key very easily to add on to the system. And we're gonna do the remote control portion of it now. Somebody's on the phone in the background, I apologize, hold on. Turn off the key and remove. And we're gonna press the lock button and then the unlock button. And then we're going to do it with the old one again also, just to make sure. That's it. Job is complete. Thanks for watching Subaru WRX.